Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Active Trader in Thinkorswim options. First, understand that Active Trader is a powerful tool designed for rapid order entry and management, especially useful for fast-moving markets. It integrates directly into your options chain, providing a streamlined interface. This allows you to quickly react to price changes and execute trades with efficiency. We'll cover how to access and utilize its core functionalities. To begin, navigate to your options chain within Thinkorswim. You'll need to add the Active Trader gadget to your layout, typically found in the Gadgets menu. Once added, select the specific strike price and expiration date for the option you wish to trade. Then, customize your default order settings, such as quantity, order type, and price, to match your trading strategy. Placing trades is incredibly intuitive. Simply click on the bid price to place a sell order or the ask price for a buy order. To modify an existing order, you can easily drag and drop it to a new price level directly on the ladder. If you need to cancel an order, a single click on the cancel button next to it will remove it instantly, providing swift control over your positions. For even greater speed, consider setting up hotkeys for common actions like buying, selling, or canceling orders. Active Trader also provides real-time updates on your open positions and profit or loss, helping you manage risk effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to practice using Active Trader with paper money first, ensuring you're comfortable before transitioning to live trading with real capital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.